Today's tech tip is super simple and easy. It's the Incognito Browser, but it's very, very useful. So if I'm in Google and I'm logged in with my school account, but I want to let a student log in or maybe another teacher log into their Google account on my computer, all I have to do is go up here to these three dots and go to New Incognito Window. I can also do a Control-Shift-N if you like keyboard shortcuts. And once you go to New Incognito, you see this. Now this will help if you're going to any other website where you are logged in already. So like if you go to Drive, you should be able to choose another account. See, I've got my personal account there that I can go into. If I go to Infinite Campus, I can log in even though I'm already logged in on another browser or another instance. Super helpful, super easy to do. It just helps keep your account safe and your information safe, and other people can get to their stuff without having to log you out. So also another good use for this is if your students complain that they're having trouble getting access to things at home. It's probably because they're logged into their personal Google account and they need to log into school. So if you tell them how to do an incognito browser, it strips out all of the login information and it makes it super easy for them to log in without any trouble. Hope you have a great day and hope you find this useful.